Okay, so we're gonna take our pulling tool. We're gonna wind it in until this portion of it is flush with the strong back. We're gonna wind this out until it's also flush with the strong back. We're gonna go between the 6 o'clock and the 9 o'clock position. We want the center of this shaft to be centered in that point there. We're gonna slide it all the way in. We're gonna tighten the arms down around the impeller so you can't tighten anymore by hand. We're gonna run the rod in until it touches. Want to make sure there's an even gap all the way around the sides. This one has, on the end of the shaft, a little divot where this rod perfectly fits inside of it. We're gonna grab the right socket. We're going to wind it in. Just keep winding it in. You can see how easy it is for the impeller to come out. When you're winding the shaft in, both the arms are pulling the same. So if you're using picks or screwdrivers where you're putting an unequal amount of force, you're going to put that shaft and the impeller pump in a bind. Keep going. Wiggle it out. Another impeller easily pulled. So you can see on the end of it, the shaft is centered up, so it's not going to get in the bind with the spline portion of the impeller.